In that video, I showed you how to make money by creating this type of video. This is part 2, where I'll explain how to make your videos look more realistic. To get started, you'll need some prompts, which I've also provided in the description. I've included over 30 prompts in various styles in the description. We'll use Leonardo. Click on Image Creation, select the anime style, and choose the aspect ratio. Paste the prompt in the provided box. After the images are ready, you can use the motion feature to convert still images into videos. Just select the motion feature and click Generate. Each motion video costs 25 credits, and we get 150 credits daily. I'll also show you how to create videos using Pixverse, and then we'll compare the results. To do this, log into Pixverse with your Discord account, select Generate Anime, type / in the prompt, select Image to Video, to upload your images. Once it's ready, click on Download. You can then add background music using different video editing tools. When we compare the results, I'd love to know which one you prefer. Let me know in the comments which tool you think is better.